Hi everyone, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in today's video, we're going to learn how to set up voicemail. First, click on the drop-down arrow for numbers and hover over the number and click on the three dotted line. Then, hit number settings. Once on this page, scroll down below to find the audio and voicemail section. Then check if the voicemail feature has been enabled. If the toggle button is blue, then it means that it has been enabled. Now all you have to do is select audio. You can either choose to upload a pre-recorded file from your computer or record one at the spot. Here, you can listen to the recorded voicemail or the uploaded file that you have selected by just clicking on this play button. You can manage the volume level of your voicemail using this setting. This button here, you see, is the download button where you can download your voicemail. And this button allows you to send voicemail to emails. You can toggle this on or off as per your preference. And that's it for voicemail. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and follow us for more Calilio content. Thanks for watching.